In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add moving average in MetaTrader 5. If you're new to MT5, don't worry. This is a very simple process. And once you know where the indicator tools are located, you'll be able to add a moving average to any chart in just a few seconds. A moving average is a popular trend indicator that helps smooth out price action, making it easier to spot the overall direction of the market. To get started, open your MT5 terminal. Once the platform is open, make sure you have a chart visible on your screen, since that's where the indicator will be added. Next, look over to the left side of the screen for the Navigator window. This panel gives you quick access to important tools inside MetaTrader 5, including accounts, indicators, expert advisors, and scripts. If you use MT5 regularly, the Navigator is one of the most useful sections to become familiar with. Inside the Navigator window, find the Indicators folder and expand it. Then, under Indicators, expand the Trend category. This section contains several built-in trend following tools, and that's where the moving average indicator is located. Now, find moving average in the list. Once you see it, simply click and drag it directly onto your chart. As soon as you drop it onto the chart, MT5 will begin the process of applying that indicator. This drag and drop method is often the fastest and most convenient way to add indicators, especially if you already know exactly where to find them. There's also another way to do the same thing using the top menu bar. If you prefer using menus instead of the Navigator panel, go to the top of the platform and click Insert. This opens a list of tools and features you can place on your chart. From there, select Indicators, then Trend, and then Moving Average. This menu path gives you the same result as dragging the indicator from the Navigator, so you can use whichever method feels more comfortable for you. And that's it. Like, you've now learned how to add a moving average in MetaTrader 5 using both the Navigator panel and the top insert menu. If you're just starting out, it's a good idea to practice both methods so you can work more efficiently inside the platform. Once the moving average is on your chart, you can continue analyzing trends more clearly and organize your chart setup the way you prefer.